What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be talking about some of the biggest mistakes Amazon sellers make when doing product research. So the first thing I want you guys to avoid when doing product research is using the same filters as other people. And what I mean by this is when you're doing product research or when you first started learning about how to do product research, instructors or other people on YouTube, or if you bought a course, a person might have showed you exactly what filter parameters they had. For example, like these filters right here. You do not want to put the exact same numbers as the person teaching you how to do it, because imagine how many people are putting in the exact same products or putting in the exact same numbers and the exact same filters, and guess what? They're all going to be finding the same products, and that market for a certain product might get saturated really fast. Another thing I want you guys to avoid is avoid using preset filters. And it doesn't matter which product research tool you're using. In this case, I'm using Viral Launch, which is the best one for me. But if there is a preset filter, for example, Viral Launch has like these preset filters: low barrier to entry, quick wins. For example, we'll just put quick wins for now. And then you could see right here that they have all of these checked. They have these filled out, and like the advanced filters also filled out. You guys do not want to click the presets for the same reason as I said in the other point, because imagine how many people are going to take the easy way out and click these preset ones because they don't want to research their own filters. They're going to be finding the exact same products. So since this is already quick wins, you're going to be scrolling down, and what I like about Viral Launch is that they show a popular result. You're going to be finding the same results as a ton of other people who are also clicking this filter, which is why you should create your own custom filters for your own needs. So another thing that I see commonly when doing product research is a lot of people won't set this cap for the maximum revenue. Setting the minimum is almost a requirement because you don't want to be finding losing products, but a lot of people won't be setting a cap here. So what that means is, since nobody's setting a cap here, if there's just one winning product that does an insane amount, that'll catch everybody's eye, right? And this actually happened to me. I found a product that was doing so well. I didn't set the cap here, and it was doing absolutely amazing. But what I didn't realize is that everybody also had that like on top of their list on products to source. So setting a cap here really eliminates finding that one product that does insane but will get saturated very quickly. So the product I did, by the time I got in the market, there was so many new sellers and the PPC costed so high, it wasn't even profitable for me. Not only that, but because it was doing so well, the sellers at the top of the page kept growing, and their sales numbers were like selling. From the time I was seeing it, it was like 800 to 1,000 a month. But by the time I got into the market, the top sellers were selling 2,000 to 3,000 a month, and I couldn't keep up with that to get on page one when doing giveaways. But to pretty much sum up the whole video, don't use the presets if there are any presets. Don't be using the same filters that are exactly the same as what people have told you to use, and create a custom filter that works for you. For example, if you have a higher budget, you're gonna be able to set the revenue and sales a lot higher than a person with a low budget. But that pretty much wraps up the video. I hope some of these points will help you guys when doing product research so you guys won't get into saturated markets like I did. And of course, this software here is called Viral Launch. It's the best one that I've used so far, especially this keyword tool. But if you guys want to use it, I have an affiliate link in the description below that'll get you 50% off. It'll help me out if you guys use it. And if this video helps you guys out, leave a comment down below. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Peace.